Hello Skin Games, my name is Cathy Johnson and this is my week 2 video for my acne category with my model Tatiana for the Skin Games. For week 2, my model Tatiana did have a small bit of purging, but I'd rather it come out than stay in. After my skin analysis, I was able to determine that Tatiana's acne lesions are inflamed, which means they're red, sore, and raised. Moving forward, my plan is to add anti-inflammatory ingredients into our treatments. The anti-inflammatory ingredients are going to help calm this reaction, reduce visible irritation, and any tenderness. Anti-inflammatory ingredients are going to help strengthen her skin barrier, helping her skin retain moisture and resisting bacteria. My goal over the next few weeks is to reduce redness and swelling, prevent any future breakouts, support her skin barrier, reduce any post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, promote faster healing, and to minimize texture. Hydration will be a key factor in enhancing the anti-inflammatory ingredients. I've been encouraging my model to really prioritize hydration topically and internally. If her skin is dry and flaky, it will not be able to properly absorb any actives and may cause irritation instead. Acne lesions heal faster when the skin has enough water content, and hydrated skin supports cell turnover and repair. I foresee us doing a few more hydrating facials before we dive into more advanced treatments. I want to focus on healing the acne before combating the hyperpigmentation. The skin barrier, also known as the stratum corneum, is the outermost layer that actually protects the skin against bacteria. A healthy skin barrier is the foundation before doing any advanced treatments. I'm looking forward to the results we'll get the next few weeks. Thank you for watching my video.